Hey Charles and Tanya and all of Huntsville, Alabama team. We know we've got Serena right here. Glad that we can have her, and I know that she's absolutely jacked and excited. Hasn't really seen an open meeting this size, but I know this is pretty dream building for you guys, so you guys gotta make it happen to get this too. Go ahead, do it. I'll do this since I'm taller. That's what. So we're about to have pin recognition in a little bit, guys, and we know this place is going to be absolutely packed, but we know Huntsville is getting on the map, and we know Serena's on the map over here in DC, and she's making it happen.
Your done deal.
All right.
I'm so excited. This is an amazing team here. I'm so fired up. See you guys soon.